Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Minecraft not working on Windows 11 in a simple and reliable way. First, restart your computer to clear temporary system conflicts caused by recent updates. Next, right-click the Minecraft launcher and run it as administrator to avoid permission issues. Now, make sure Windows 11 is fully updated by checking for optional updates as well. Update your graphics drivers from the official manufacturer website because outdated drivers cause most compatibility problems. Open Windows Security and temporarily disable poor isolation or memory integrity if Minecraft fails to start. Also, allow Minecraft and Java through firewall and antivirus settings. Press Windows plus R, type AppData, open Roaming, and rename the Minecraft folder to reset corrupted files. Reinstall the launcher only from the official website. Finally, restart your system and launch Minecraft again. These steps usually restore full compatibility and fix most Windows 11 issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.